Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 42-46 miles, this Silver Ice Metallic, certified 2011 Chevrolet Equinox equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.